Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Pixel firmware via Fastboot, full guide step by step clearly. To install Google Pixel firmware via Fastboot, first, download the appropriate firmware for your device from the official Google website. Extract the downloaded firmware file to a folder on your computer. Make sure you have the latest USB drivers installed for your Google Pixel device. Enable developer options on your Pixel by going to Settings, then About Phone, and tapping the build number 7 times. Return to the main Settings menu, and open Developer Options. Enable both USB debugging and OEM unlocking. Now, power off your Pixel device completely. Next, press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously to boot your device into Fastboot mode. Connect your Pixel device to your computer using a USB cable. On your computer, open a command prompt or terminal window in the folder where you extracted the firmware. Type Fastboot devices and press enter to ensure your device is recognized. If your device appears on the list, proceed by typing Fastboot flashing unlock to unlock the bootloader. Confirm the unlocking process on your device by navigating to the prompt and selecting Yes. After unlocking, type Fastboot flashing lock to lock the bootloader again. Reboot your Pixel into Fastboot mode once more using the same button combination. To install the firmware, enter commands for each image file in the firmware package. Start by entering fastboot flash bootboot.img to flash the boot image. Next, complete the installation for the system image by typing fastboot flash system.img. Continue with fastboot flash vendor.img to update the vendor partition. Then, type fastboot flash recovery.img to flash the recovery image. Verify that all commands executed successfully without errors. Once completed, type fastboot reboot to reboot your device. Your Google Pixel will now boot with the newly installed firmware. It may take a few minutes for the initial boot after the installation. Once booted, set up your device as instructed on the screen. Your Google Pixel is now ready to use with the latest firmware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.